After the cooling tower arrives at the site, the installation work officially begins. The first step is to lift and transport the lower box. It is necessary to select the suitable lifting equipment. Steadily lift and transfer the lower box from the transport vehicle to the designated installation area. During hoisting and transporting, the commander and the operator should cooperate closely, ensure the safety of lifting and transporting the lower box. The second step is to fix the position, adjust and position according to the installation location. The worker prepares a scaffold or ladder that is 2 meters high and meets the safety standards. Prepare the sealant and the gasket, climb onto the box body, stick the gasket along the four sides of the lower box, ensure tight fit. Then use a sealant gun. Apply the sealant evenly on the gasket, ensure the sealing effect. The fourth step is to lift and install the upper box. Use lifting equipment. Lift and transport the upper box to an appropriate position above the lower box. The fifth step, align the corresponding holes of the upper and lower parts. At this time, arrange a worker at each corner. Hold a screwdriver or round steel in hand. Slowly insert it into the butt joints of the upper and lower box bodies. Keep it vertical and slide down slowly. Keep adjusting until the upper and lower parts are completely aligned. The sixth step, tighten the bolts. After the holes of the upper and lower boxes are aligned, install all the bolts. Use an electric screwdriver to tighten according to the specified torque. Ensure the connection is secure. The seventh step, connect the spray pipes. After the box body is assembled, just connect the upper and lower openings of the spray pipe.